I'm a dermatologist and cosmetologist practicing at Apex Derma Plus East Bhopal. So today in this video, I want to talk to you about mask acne, which is very frequently experienced these days by everyone because we're wearing a mask for longer hours, and that is why our skin is reacting. So what is mask acne? So mask acne is basically normal acne, but it happens in the area where you wear your mask. That is, it may include your cheeks, maybe your chin, and maybe your nose. So this is the area which is most frequently affected by mask acne. So why is mask acne happening? So mask acne is happening because the pores are on our skin is getting clogged because of the moisture that gets trapped in because we are wearing a mask. The oil, the product that we are using, and everything gets accumulated, and it leads to clogging of the pores, and it also favors the bacterial growth because we're wearing a mask for longer hours and there's so much moisture. These conditions are very favorable for acne, so that is why mask acne is happening. So what are the things that we can do to prevent mask acne? So number one is you keep at least 2-3 masks with you, so that you change your mask after every single use. Every time you use a mask, use a unused washed mask, and use a fabric. If you're using a fabric mask, choose a fabric like silk or cotton which is soft on your skin and doesn't lead to a lot of friction or rubs on your skin, right? If you're using a disposable mask, be sure to dispose it off safely after every single use. And second point is use a gentle cleanser for your skin, and use your gentle cleanser at least twice in a day, once before you're wearing a mask and once after you remove your mask. Wash your face nicely and use a good moisturizer according to your skin type. If you have an oily skin, use a lighter moisturizer. If you have a dry skin, use a cream based moisturizer. And also don't forget to use your sunscreen, because if you're wearing you don't wear a sunscreen, you might get a tan line in these areas. So always wear a sunscreen, especially if you're exposed and you're going to work outdoors, or traveling a lot, so you need to wear your sunscreen. For the skincare products, I generally advise my patients to use your skincare products at least 1 hour before you have to put on your mask. And then once you go back home and you clean your face, and you can apply everything that you want in your skincare product. And makeup is a strict no-no when you're wearing a mask. Anyway, you don't require a makeup when you're wearing a mask, right? If you just want to conceal those dark spots or your maybe under eye area, just use a tiny bit of concealer on the marks, and that's it. And go for non-comedogenic, non-oily, matte finish makeup. And if you can avoid, that is the best thing that you can do for your skin. Okay, so yeah, I think I have covered everything. And yes, if you already experiencing acne due to your mask, please go and visit your dermatologist once, because they can assess the situation better when they see you personally, and they can give you prescribed drugs according to your skin type, or maybe they can suggest your products like moisturizer, face wash, or maybe a sunscreen that suits your skin, right? So if you're using right products, and if you're taking care of your skin, and if you're using right mask and you're using it the right way, then you might be able to avoid these situations, right? But don't avoid wearing a mask, because it is really important, because we are still struggling with COVID-19, and it is really important for our own safety and for others' safety that we use a good mask, right? So yeah, I think that's it. I've covered everything, and if you still have any queries regarding the same topic, or maybe any other topic that you want to know about, or any queries that you have, don't forget to comment, or maybe let me know any way you want to. So yeah, thank you so much. Keep going, people.